What's up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can manage your saved passwords in Mozilla Firefox. Let's get into it. So you got to open Mozilla, and then once you're in Mozilla, what you want to do is go to the menu icon, which is in the top right. And once here, you're going to have to go to the logins and passwords section, obviously. And I only have one saved because I don't really use Mozilla, but I just did it for this video just to show you guys how to do this. You've got the option to right click on this and copy URL, visit, copy username, or copy the password. But we're not going to do any of that. We can click autofill logins and passwords if you don't want to have to type them in every time. You can also import passwords from other browsers such as Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Internet Explorer, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to close this. You can choose to show your password. I'm not going to do that, but if you have forgotten it, it will show you your saved password. So if you have more than one, you can click remove all to get rid of all your passwords that you got saved. But since I've only got one, I'm just going to click remove, and it is gone. Once it's gone, it's not coming back either. You have to go and retype it in the website and save it again. So yeah, that is it for this video. If it did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. I upload daily tutorials here on this channel. If you do have any problems with the video as well, if you do have any problems with this video, please leave a comment and I'll be glad to talk to you. That is it from me, everybody. Have a wonderful day and peace out.